In this question, there is a one green circle with center O, and the area of this green circle is given pi unit square. Then we have to find the area of this pink region. So to find it, we can write area of green circle is equal to pi, which is given in the question. As we know, area of circle is a pi radius square. So if we will consider radius of this green circle is a capital R, so we can write here pi capital R square is equal to pi got cancelled, so we can say R square is equal to 1. This means R is equal to under root 1, so R will be equal to what? 1 unit. Okay, since here ABC, angle ABC is a 90-degree and point ABC lie on the green circle, so according to the Thales theorem, we can say that AC will be the diameter. So AC will be the what? Diameter according to Thales theorem. So what will be the length of AC? AC will be equal to 2 into radius, that is capital R, 2 into 1, that means 2 unit. So diameter of this green circle is AC, and which is equal to 2 unit. Okay, now ABC, triangle ABC is an isosceles right angle triangle, because AB is equal to BC, because both AB and BC are the radii of this quarter circle. AB and BC both are the radius of the quarter circle. That's why triangle ABC is a isosceles triangle. So if we will consider, let AB is equal to BC, which is equal to small r. So using Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABC, we can write AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. We can write, so AC square is what? 2, so 2 square. AB is R, just we have considered, so R square. BC is also R, so R square. This means 4 is equal to 2R square. 2 will cancel this 4 in 2 times. We can write R square is equal to 2, so this means R will be under root 2 unit. Okay, now after this I will find the area of this sector ABC with RKC. So area of this sector will be what? So sector area, we can write sector area is equal to 1 by 4 pi R square, since it is a quarter circle. So 1 by 4 pi, R is root 2, so root 2 square. So this will become 2, root 2 square is 2, 2 will cancel 4 in 2 times, so pi by 2. Sector area will be pi by 2. After this I will calculate area of triangle ABC. So we can write here triangle ABC area is equal to 1 by 2 base into height. Base, if I will consider AB, and height as a BC, both are equal, so we can write root 2 to root 2. So this will become 2, this will cancel this 2, so it means 1 unit. So triangle ABC area is a 1 unit. Now after this I will calculate the area of the segment. The segment part I will calculate. So what will be this area? Area of this complete sector minus area of this triangle ABC. Then we will get the area of this sector, a segment. So we can write here area of segment, or we can say segment area. Segment area is equal to sector area minus triangle ABC area. We can write sector area, just we have calculated pi by 2, and this triangle ABC area is a 1, so pi by 2 minus 1. As we have to find the area of this pink region, so we can see that this pink region is available on upper side of this semicircle. So if we will subtract this from the semicircle, this segment area, so we will get the pink area. So we can write area of pink region, that is pink area, equal to upper semicircle area minus segment area. Okay, so upper semicircle area will be what? Since we know the complete green circle area is given pi, so semicircle area of this green circle will be pi by 2. So we can write pi by 2, and this segment area just we have calculated pi by 2 minus 1. So this means pi by 2 minus pi by 2 plus 1. This 2 got cancelled, so 1 unit square will be the right answer for this question. So thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel.